In today's interest rate market, let's look at the 10-year note futures as they're realizing some selling pressure today. 10-year note futures are trading lower now for a second day, and today's price action, we're seeing the futures market trading down towards the low end of the week, coming off those recent highs where we did see the 10-year note futures trade up to a 2.5-week high early this week, but now giving up some ground here and currently priced at 108.11, so back below the middle of the 108 handle. Driving factors, a couple things here I think influencing the market. Number one, U.S. policy. We continue to hear about initiatives and potential shifts in policy, and I think that that's having an impact as far as economic expectations moving forward and potential impact on the debt structure and other things. So I think that's creating a little bit of selling pressure today. Couple that with central bank activity, and particularly the Bank of Japan. Later this evening, we'll see the Bank of Japan unfolding their policy as the announcement is coming out here later this afternoon. And with that, there's concerns because it does appear that they're going to raise rates, and the question is how much. So it's going to be an interesting dynamic that will unfold over the next 24 hours in the market, as there's still some uncertainty as to how big the rate increase that is expected from the Bank of Japan may be, plus what their policy may look like moving forward. So I think that's another factor contributing to the selling pressure here today. Now looking at the yields, that 10-year yield is back up over 460 basis points to 464 basis points today, so up 4 basis points from yesterday's levels. Also, we're seeing the yield curve steepen today, particularly in the back end where the selling pressure is the most pronounced. Really look at the twos, pretty much unchanged today, but if you move through the yield curve from the back end, from the 7s, 10s, and beyond, 20s and 30s, you're seeing selling pressure and those yields moving higher, anywhere from 3 to 5.5 basis points. So 10-year up 4 basis points today, so we're moving back up towards the top end of the range for this week. And selling pressure persisting for a second day, as we do have some more data tomorrow that could also influence the market. But really, it appears the market's very focused on the Bank of Japan announcement later today.